Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you the most important incident that occurred during the Eighth Day War. So let me begin. Eighth Day War of Pitamaha Bhisma or Mahabharata. So both the parties, Kauravas and Pandavas, they started, they fought tremendously, particularly between this Iravan of Pandava side and Alambusa from Kaurava side. And they were master in magic powers, and ultimately Iravan was killed by Alambusa. He tricked him. However, the most striking incident that had occurred is that when the Pandavas soldiers attacked the Kaurava soldiers and the Pandavas also, the Kaurava soldiers fled away from the battlefield, and so many Kauravas soldiers and Duryodhana's brothers were killed. So Duryodhana was very much upset, and at night he came to Pitamaha Bhisma's tent and told him, ki, "Oh Pitamaha, I think you are not fighting with your full capacity, and because of you only I took the enmity with the Pandavas, because of your strength, your power, and now you are not fighting with your full capacity. If you had any, I know that very well, you have some tender feelings, you have love and affection towards the Pandavas more than me and my brothers." Thus he pinched Pitamaha Bhisma so badly that Pitamaha, and also he mentioned, ki, "Oh Pitamaha, if you would have told me this thing from the beginning, then I could ask you to take rest and Karna to enter the field." Hearing his words, Pitamaha Bhisma was very much hot, and he said, ki, "Oh son, oh Duryodhan, before the commencement of the war, I told you there is not a single one who can defeat the Pandavas. But you didn't listen at that time. I told you repeatedly not to, even I requested you to give 5 padas. That also you didn't agree. And particularly, you know that the Supreme Soul, Lord Krishna, is on their side. How do you think that you will win over the Pandavas? He is their protector. The God who is everywhere, in everybody's heart, that Krishna is with them. And do you think that you will win over them?" Anyways, now listen to me. And before the war started, I also reminded you, remember, Parth had defeated Lord Indra in Khandava Prastha. And not only that, he also defeated the Nivata Kavatas when he went to Swarga. Yes, I think you have remembered that he saved you from the Gandharvas. He only saved you, Arjun only saved you. And that time, where was your Karna? He fled away from the battlefield. He couldn't face the Gandharvas. That everything you had forgotten. I told you, I requested you repeatedly, you didn't listen. Now you are blaming me. And I am fighting to my full capacity. I am not doing any partiality. However, since you are thinking that I am showing, means I am doing partiality towards Pandavas, so remember one thing, tomorrow, anyhow, I am going to kill, to slay all the Pandavas. I promised you that I will kill 10,000 soldiers and I will slay all the, means the Pandava side soldiers. But that you didn't listen to me, and not only that, I have kept 5 arrows, and tomorrow morning I am going to use it, by which all the Pandavas will be slain. Now you go and sleep peacefully." When Pitamaha Bhisma told this thing, Duryodhana, because he was always wicked, always crooked-minded, and he had bad intentions. So immediately he said, "Oh Pitamaha, then for safety's sake at least, hand over all these 5 arrows. I will give you tomorrow when the war will start." Now Pitamaha Bhishma handed over the 5 arrows to Duryodhana. He went away happily that Pitamaha Bhishma had taken the vow and definitely he is going to slay all the Pandavas tomorrow. Now he was resting in his camp that time. This news, means the vow of Pitamaha Bhishma, came to Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, after hearing this news, immediately went to Arjun and said, "Ki, O Parth, let us go to Pitamaha Bhishma and you ask him to hand over all the, let us go to Duryodhan and you ask him to hand over all the 5 arrows that had given by Pitamaha Bhishma." Then Arjun said, "Well, if you command me, definitely I will do that." Then Lord Krishna and Arjun both went to Duryodhana's tent. Here I want to tell you one thing. In Vedic culture, even if the arch enemies were fighting during the daytime, at night they can dine easily together, happily. There is no restriction at all. And they never showed any enmity during night while they were together. That's the wonderful thing had happened at Vedic culture time. So Lord Krishna and Arjun reached at Duryodhana's camp, and when Duryodhana saw Arjun, immediately he said, "Oh brother, oh Parth, why you are here now? Come and take a seat." He behaved very nicely, and also Duryodhana said, "If you want victory, then I will give it. If you ask me to give you victory, then I will give it easily. Now what do you want? Tell me." Then immediately Arjun said, "Oh brother, I have not come to ask for victory. I just want the 5 arrows that had given by our grandfather Pitamaha Bhishma. And that was those arrows are meant to slay me and also my brothers. That is what I want from you." Now, whatever it is, Duryodhana was very evil-minded, very crooked, and still then he had kept his word. Like when Arjun saved him from the Gandharvas, Duryodhana from his own side asked Arjun to ask him a boon. That time Arjun told him, "Oh brother, I don't want anything now. When time will come, I will ask you." That promise Duryodhana remembered, and immediately he handed over the 5 arrows without any delay. And Arjun and Lord Krishna came back happily to their tent. Because Lord Krishna was the supreme soul. He is in everybody's heart. He knew very well what was the intention of Duryodhana, Bhishma, or anybody else. So to save his own devotee, to save his the beloved friend Arjun and his brothers, he took that arrows. Means Lord Krishna told Arjun to ask those arrows from Duryodhana. Now both of them came back to their tent, and they were very happy. So immediately Duryodhana went to Pitamaha Bhishma and told him everything what had happened. Now Pitamaha Bhishma said, "Oh Duryodhana, I cannot make another 5 arrows. That arrows had the power to kill, to slay the Pandavas. But anyhow, tomorrow I will definitely going to at least try to slay all the 5 Pandavas, or I will break the promise of Lord Krishna. I will force him to break his promise tomorrow. So just wait for tomorrow and see my Yudh means fighting. This much Pitama Bhisma said and told him to Duryodhana to go back home and take rest peacefully. Thus Duryodhana believed him and went back to his tent. This much is the most important incident that had occurred in 8th day war. And as you know, Alambusa killed um, Iravan, the son of Arjun and Ulupi. This much for the, today this much, tomorrow once again I will tell you a beautiful incident from Mahabharata. Thank you so much.